2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Okay, let's do it faster. Bilisan natin, kids, ha? Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Ulitin natin. Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Okay. So, kids, alam niyo ba yung happy birthday clap? Happy birthday clap. Parehas din, pero yung isisigaw lang ninyo is happy birthday. Okay, start tayo with the foot. Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Ulitin natin. Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Okay, very good, kids. So, ngayon naman, so I want all the kids to form a circle. Form a circle. Here. Form a circle, kuya. Circle. Yan, dito. Sandra. Yan. Okay, do you know how to dance? Do you know how to dance? Okay, si Bless, marunong ba mag-dance si Bless? Yung celebrant natin. Okay, so I want all the kids to dance. So for those who are good in dancing, meron prize. Okay ba? Okay, ha? Bibigyan ko ng prize yung magaling sumayaw. Get ready to the music. Dance to the music. Dance. Come on. Come on, kids. Dance like a dance. Come on, dance. Bibigyan ko ng prize kung sino yung magaling sumayaw. Galing ka sa pasayaw. Hansen, dance. Galing ka sa sumayaw. Dance, ate. Ito, kuya, galing ka sumayaw, ah. So, sige, dance na, dance. Sige, dance na, kids. Kuya Mark, dance, Kuya Mark. Dance na yun, dance. Eto si ate, galing sumayaw, dance pa, dance. Okay, dance kayo mga kids. Tingnan nyo si Mami, sumasayaw na. Sige na, dance. Okay, si Bless. Agaling si Mary Bless. Iba pa. Dance. Eto si ate magaling sumayaw. Dance na. Come on, kids. Dance na tayo. Dance na yung dance.